I have seen everything that has ever happened, ever will happen, ever could happen, and yet, what the hell is this?
You have seen multiple videos in the making a character from zero all the way to even animated. But some of you might want to know a little more. Perhaps from curiosity or to even go further. We may never know. But just to give you a little insight, we'll go there. If you remember that last video about animating MMD, miku that, then yes, it's another one. But this one is more simple because it's about lip sync manually. Now this one we have only to focus on 4 things: the mouth, the eyebrow, the eye, and others, pupils, etc. All this will be under the facial manipulation section. Not that type of facial. Jeez. Anywho, let's get a recap. Remember, 30 frames equals 1 second on MMD. So it's up to you to select which frame and what facial expression will it be. Remember, every time you would finish moving anything on the model, press the register button. If you don't register, it will recognize it. Think of it as a save file. Register equals a save point file. It will save that moment in which you left it and continue with other frames. So we go once again here for animation. Head to facial manipulation and go to the area where it says mouth. When you slide it to the right, the animation will be shown on the model. Then head to frame manipulation to select your desired frame and register the animation. Skip a few frames to return it to normal. You do this by heading to the facial and slide the mouth to the left and register it. Then head to this scroll and click on it to see the multiple variations that the mouth can do. If you want to be more creative, you can actually combine different letter animations to make a new mouth shape. A As well as you remember to register both mouth shapes. Otherwise, it will only register one of them. Once you finish, go to play and see the result. If you want to make a music video and you want to make a novel, creating animation like a top, then there's things to consider. The type of song, its own tempo, or music, and what type of music it is, melody, and style will really affect the way you'll need to animate your character to match it. Make this song as much as possible. Once you've set a file with all of it, just save the file as like a public image. And by that, I mean the old file saver. Then you should be fine. The farming video was very sloppy at the end to make it look like a music. Look it up on music. Yeah, we're not trying. Because it's just to give you an insight of how the facial animation looks like. In the end, it will be more precise and not above. Now going to the next music video, even if it's just for passing time, there could be a better animated video next time. It will be with music on, just to show you what it can actually be at its best. I'll be starting soon.